Well, we've had a long-standing relationship with Wellington Orthopedics. They have been coming to Mercy Anderson since we opened our doors here. And I think we both have mutually aligned goals. We both want to provide safe, high-quality care to our patients, and we both want to serve our patients in our community that we live and work in. And so I think it was a natural partnership. Looking at Wellington, one thing with orthopedics, I wanted to make sure that we had a group of physicians with a great reputation. They had great clinical outcomes. They were superior physicians, and so they kind of were our natural partner when we were looking to build a center of excellence. It's really the physicians and the hospital and staff here coming together as a collaborative team. We know that we can only provide the best care to our patients when we do it together. And so we look to manage this group of orthopedic patients as a team. I think we have done a lot of great work together. They're so easy to work with, and again, because our goals are aligned, we want the same things. We want the best care for our patients, that we can discuss and interact and come up with viable solutions to any problems that we have. We've collaborated together to have an educational program prior to patients having surgery, so we all know what the curriculum is. And I think the great thing about our partnership is not only, our exact sick patients or the patients that are coming in for hospital care or office care, but we partner with them to do community seminars. So we educate our community on different various orthopedic issues or complaints, and we do it together. And we do that at least 4 times a year. We've also collaborated in assisting to develop our own staff. So they help educate our staff, they provide programs, educational courses that help advance them. So once again, it's all of us kind of working together for the same purpose.